In today's videos, we will talk about how to package an Android game in Unreal Engine 5.6. First, open any browser and search for Android Studio. From the search result, select the first option for Android Studio. Now, scroll down a little and click on Download. Scroll down again, and agree to the terms and click on Agree to continue. For packaging the game, we need Android Studio Flamingo 2022. So download this version of Android Studio. This version Android Studio Flamingo 2022.2.1 patch 2 24 May 2023. Click on 60 click on Windows 64-bit to select it. Then choose any folder on the computer where you want to save the file and click Save. This will start downloading Android Studio Flamingo. Please note only this version works with Unreal Engine 5.6. If you use a different version, it may not work. Since I already have it downloaded, so I don't need to download it again. After downloading, just click next and then finish to install it. I already have it installed, but you need to install it on your system. After installation, you will see a window like this. Click on More option and go to SDK Manager. Inside SDK Manager, first select Android API. Then, depending on your mobile version, select the correct API. For example, my phone is Android 11, so I select on API level 30. If you have Android 12, then select API 31, and so on. Next, go to SDK Tools. Enable all necessary options like API 36, 35, 34, and 33, and go to NDK. Under NDK, enable version 27.01. This version enable, and enable Android SDK command line tools. CMake 3.2.1 and 3.10, and also Android emulator with hypervisor and driver. After that, click apply and then OK. Now let's set up Java. Search for Java 17. Search for Java 17 and download version 17.0.12 for Windows x64 installer. Click on this link. After downloading, install it by clicking next and then finish. Once installed, check if Java is working. Open CMD and click on Windows search CMD, and now search Java version. If the version is displayed, that means Java is installed correctly. If not, you will need to set up the environment variables manually. So my Java version is installed. Search environment variable, click on environment variable, and make sure Java home is set to your JDK 17 folder. If not available, add them manually by browsing to the correct folder location. Do the same for NDK root version 27. Now open Unreal Engine and load your project. Go to Edit, Project Setting, Android SDK. Here you need set up the SDK, NDK, and Java path correctly. For example, SDK folder location is, and also check NDK, JDK, and after set Android 34, Android 27 for NDK. Go to supported platform, only enable Android and Windows. Target hardware will be mobile, and you can select either scalable or maximum based on your need. Platform Android, set minimum SDK to 26 and set target SDK to 34 or based on your requirements. Ensure you will game run on different Android version. Also enable package game data inside APK. Now go to platform Android. You should see the Android icon. It's not showing, its mean SDK configuration is not correct. Click update SDK if required. Finally, package your project. Create a new folder, package project, create new folder named named APK. Packaging may take 3 to 5 minutes depending on your PC specification. On high-end PC, it may take only 2 to 3 minutes. On a low-end PC, it may take longer. Make sure your internet is also connected. After packaging, you will get your APK file in the output folder. Now connect your mobile phone to the PC. Copy the APK file into your phone download folder. Install it. Install it. Open. Click on allow. That's it. Your Unreal Engine 5.6 game has been successfully packaged and installed on Android.